Let's talk about building management system using video wall. So building management system is nothing but controlling and monitoring all the automated control types which are there in the building. You can monitor all at one location, which is nothing but the command center. So here we have a different type of control types which we can monitor in a building. So let's talk about one by one individual. So we have here doors. So we can monitor all important entry and exit points. So as you can see, the green door indicates which is closed. The red one indicates which is open. If you think that particular door is critical one, immediately you can go there and take action on that. So this is about the motion sensor. You can monitor which location the people are. So for suppose at this location the people are moving around. If you think it is a critical area, nobody should be there, immediately you can go there and check and take an action on that. And this is about the lighting. At one command center location itself, you can control all your lights in your facility, whichever is required. Fire sensor. So you can monitor all the fire sensors which are there in the facility. If any fire alarm triggers, you can exactly know which fire sensor has triggered that. Immediately you can take action on that. And in this map, as you can see, we have different fire extinguishers in different area. So whenever fire happens, immediately we can take alert to everyone so that they will go that particular location and take action on that. And this is about the shades. So we can open, close shades in our facility from command center itself. And these are the temperature and humidity levels which are there in the different rooms. So as you can see, 25 degrees is there in that particular area. The remaining area 25, 26 like that. So at one position you will get to know how is the temperature levels. For suppose in this particular area it's too hot, that there might be a chance that AC is not working. So immediately you can take action on that. The same way the humidity levels in that area. So this is about the electric fence in the building peripheral. So right now peripheral is green, so that means the fence is safe. If any short circuit happen or any fence break has happened, immediately that particular area will turn to red color. So if you have cameras there, immediately the camera pop-up will come. You can monitor from there and you can take action on that immediately. This is the power management. So how in a facility, which area is consuming more power and which area, all the parameters you will get. For suppose in a particular area power problem is there, some MCB got triggered, immediately you will get an alert there. So we monitor all those power parameters also. And by end of the month we can create a reports using these statistics. So this is about the lift management. As you can see, when you have a facility which is having more lifts, you can monitor which lift is there in which floor. For sometimes what happens because of the power problem, the lift will stuck in between. So by seeing this, you will get to know where exactly the lift is, and immediately you will get the parameters like how much distance from the top, and you can take action on that. So this is about the water management. So when you have multiple water tanks, so we can automatically fill these tanks. We have a different levels where the motor should turn on, where the motor should turn off. So all the time the water tanks will maintain the water. So if there is any problem with the water motor, immediately we will get alerts as well. And this is about the car parking. So how many car park slots have been occupied, how many are vacant. If you want to reserve any particular slot for someone, you can do it from here itself. So this is about the car parking, and this is about Wi-Fi management. You can see who all are connected in the Wi-Fi, since how long they are using. All the statistic parameters you will get it from here. If something is suspicious, immediately you can take an action on that. So this is about the dashboard. This is kind of a consolidated report which gives from different locations. If anything is any alerts are there, immediately the pop-up will come. So this is how the dashboard works. Thank you.